This short lesson explains CMDB actions, since ServiceNow does this natively. A CMDB is a configuration management database in which we store IT infrastructure components called configuration items or CIs. Automic can automate the creation and lifecycle management of those CIs. As part of the CMDB platform, ServiceNow provides native IT asset management. We'll show how we can orchestrate the creation of a virtual image in a cloud service like Google Cloud Platform with a matching asset in the ServiceNow CMDB. ServiceNow is not just a ticketing system, it's also a powerful configuration management database, or CMDB. The purpose of a CMDB is to model a complete IT infrastructure by maintaining a catalog of assets, hardware, software, and network components that support the services provided by the organization. This means building and maintaining a full inventory of these assets called configuration items, or CIs. The relationship between these CIs are modeled as well. For example, a service called website might have a parent component called hosting system with several child components, computer, hard drive, network card, web server, and so forth. Good CMDB practices can lead to improved purchasing, better usage efficiency, deduplication, lifecycle management, better maintenance, and a host of other positives. CIs have a number of important fields. They can be categorized in classes or given attributes like name, type, manufacturer, model, and current status. Finally, as we said, the CMDB tracks the relationships between these CIs, say parent computer to child hard drive. Automic is able to automate the creation and management of those CIs and their relationships. We skipped a demo since the process is identical. The prompts for the URL, identification, advanced connection settings, and REST agents are the same as for incidents and CR. Only the configuration prompts varies with the action. If you're creating a new CI, you specify the class name and the attributes in the JSON expression. To create relationships, you need the class, the CI system ID, and the outbound and inbound relationships using the type and target codes. Your ServiceNow administrator will know these. They're stored in variables. Finally, we also show how to list CI relationships. You can also use generic actions like create record to add records to your list of assets and automate provisioning. There's a narrow but compelling use case here. Automic maintains a comprehensive list of integrations with various cloud service providers like GCP and AWS. We're obviously not going to cover these, but they support the creation and management of virtual images, for example EC2 and AWS. Automic is able to automate the spinning of those VMs. Combined with the ServiceNow integration, we're able to coordinate the physical creation of the VM in EC2 with the creation of the matching VM assets in the ServiceNow CMDB. We're able to match a new EC2 or GCP VM with a corresponding asset in ServiceNow to ensure integrity in the organization's asset management program. For this, we use the generic create record action and reference the ALM_asset table. You specify the fields, model, quality, tag, and so forth.